Section 7.1 Solve quadratic equations by completing the square. Objective number 1. Solve quadratic equations using square root property. The square root property is that if we have x squared equal a number, then x equal plus minus square root of that number. Example number 1, we want to solve for x squared minus 9 equals 0. First of all, this is a quadratic equation, and we want to use square root property. We need to isolate the variable and number separate. So I will add 9 both sides, then I get x squared equal to 9, and then I apply the square root property, then x equal plus square root of 9, and the answer is plus minus 3. We can check our answer by plug back in. I plug both of them at the same time. What if I plug in plus minus 3 into the original equation? I will get 9 minus 9, and I get the true statement. Example number 2, solve 3x squared minus 60 equal to 0. So the x squared we need to isolate because the 3, the 60, and the 0, they are numbers. So we need to combine one number and x squared by itself. We will add 60 first. So we got 3x squared equal to 60, and then divide both sides by 3. Then we get x squared equal 20. Then we can use the square root property. X equal plus minus square root of 20. Square root of 20, we will break as square root of 4 times 5. And square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 5 is just stay in the same, the radical. I leave the check step for you. Example number 3, 14 and 2, they're both numbers, so we need to combine them. And the y squared is the variable. We need to isolate the y squared on one side. So y squared equal to negative 12 because we minus 14 both sides. And then y equal plus minus square root of the number negative 12. Y equal plus minus. You remember from section 6.8, we simplify. We will separate the negative 1 and square root of 12. Then square root of negative 1 is I, and square root of 12, we break as square root of 4 and 3. Square root of 4 is 2, and 3 will stay inside. Then y equal plus minus 2i square root of 3.